Have you ever wondered why animals used to be so big? Not just dinosaurs, but giant mammals, massive reptiles, creatures that seem almost impossible today. Animals the size of buildings, animals that could shake the ground with every step. And yet, they are all gone. So what happened? Why did life on Earth once create giants and then stop? Millions of years ago, Earth was a completely different world. The air was richer, oxygen levels were higher, forests were dense, oceans were full. Life was everywhere, and evolution had no reason to hold back. In this world, being big was an advantage. The larger you were, the safer you became. Predators struggled to attack you. You could reach more food. You could travel farther distances. Size meant dominance, and dominance meant survival. But evolution doesn't make things big just for the sake of it. There is always a reason, a system, a logic. Being large gives animals protection, power, efficiency. A massive body stores more energy. A long neck reaches new food sources. A large size scares away threats. But here's the hidden truth. Size is not just strength. It is a trade. Because the bigger you are, the more you need. More food, more water, more space. A giant cannot survive on small resources, and this creates a problem. If the environment changes, even slightly, large animals suffer first. They cannot adapt quickly. They cannot hide. They cannot shrink. They are committed. And then, the world changed. An asteroid struck Earth. Fires spread across continents. The sky darkened. Temperatures dropped. Food chains collapsed. This wasn't just an event. It was a reset. And in this new world, being big was no longer an advantage. Large animals began to disappear. Slowly at first, then rapidly, because they needed too much. Too much food, too much stability, and stability was gone. And in their place, something unexpected began to rise. Small animals, mammals, creatures that once hid in the shadows. They needed less. They moved faster. They adapted quickly. And this gave them a powerful advantage. In a changing world, flexibility beats size. Evolution changed direction, no longer chasing size, but adaptability. Instead of growing larger, animals became smarter, faster, more efficient. And this shift changed life on Earth forever. But giants did not disappear completely. They still exist today. Blue whales, elephants, large predators. But notice something. They are rare. Because the modern world does not favor extremes. Today's ecosystems are unstable. Climate changes rapidly. Resources shift. And in this kind of world, being large is risky. Which is why evolution has slowed down the growth of giants. So maybe the question is not, why did animals become so big? But instead, why did the world allow it? Because evolution does not decide alone. The environment decides. And if the conditions were right again, If the world stabilized, if resources expanded, would giants return? Or has the age of giants ended forever?